Hey, this is John Young. Today we're looking at a couple of moving head fixtures from SHEHDS. This is their BI version here. These are their Big Bee Eye. They're a beam, they're a wash, they're an effect all in one. This is a zoomable fixture with 19 little, you can see the little lenses there. There's 19 lenses on there, and each one has an RGBW, red, green, blue, white LED in there. 20 watts times 19 is what you have in these. So these are very big, very bright, but they are incredible. They can do an incredible amount of different things going on here. They're big, they're heavy. I mean, you can see as I'm standing right next to it, these are good size fixtures, but these are something that are going to be two of these, and it becomes a very complete light show. They can be dimmed down, completely DMX control. It has 23, 25, and 101 channel DMX controllability. So basically, I can go through and pixel map these with 101 channels of the DMX channels. There's a lot of flexibility with that. Right now, they're in auto mode. There's a couple of auto modes. There's a sound active mode. You basically set one of them, connect them with an XLR DMX wire, and off they go. And they do a lot of different things. You're seeing a lot of the patterns and things going on right now in this auto demo mode. What I'm really impressed about is that they've been running here for a long time, and I don't have any weird lag. I don't have them getting out of sync. They've been working together well. I'm really happy about that. Looking at the way the LEDs go around, it has smooth movement with that. You can see that even on the film or on camera, they are working well and staying in unison. That's a problem with sometimes, with some of our lights. Sometimes is that after a little while, one of them's a little faster, and then this one gets laggy, and things just don't work right. These have been right on, no matter if I've been using them DMX control or just connecting them like they are. They've been working well together, so I'm really excited about that. Price point. These are an incredible price point for what you're getting with this. This is a light that you'd be spending, a few years ago we'd be spending almost $2,000 to get this type of technology, and now they're well way under that. I mean, crazy, to the point where I was almost hesitant, because it's like, oh, at that price point, I don't know how good they're going to be. Blown away. Seriously blown away. So these are going to be up on a couple of totems. We're going to use these with our high school dances and our little bit larger weddings where they want to have more of, like, yeah, right there, it just did a wash over there, and it just went from a beam and it pulled back to a wash. And at 30 feet, it was basically giving me about a 20-foot wide beam out there. And then, of course, after that, it can break into doing its little beams that you're seeing behind me every once in a while. Yep, see right there, it's doing that nice wash effect or beam. Pretty cool. Links will be in the description below. It's a 19x20. It is controllable via the Airstream, the DMX bridge from ADJ. That's a big thing that I use, and that's what we're going to be controlling. My son has already got him programmed in to work with his Chauvet software that he uses to control his light show. So they definitely can do a lot of things. Yeah, it's giving me a wonderful wash over there. It's illuminating the whole end of the office on that last little scene. So a lot of cool with these lights. I definitely would recommend, if you're in the field, to give these a look, because they're going to be something I think that will make a lot of DJs kind of really happy with their flexibility in their light show.